My name is Nick Lagridge. I am 28 years old and I'm the fish factory manager for Tellys Mont Viking. I joined Tellys in 2018 as a local shop truck driver delivering our products throughout the Nelson Tasman region. I then progressed through my licenses and moved on to the bigger trucks. 2019 I was offered the opportunity to do a headship through the company and I would learn management and processing roles throughout all our divisions around New Zealand. I completed 6 months in our local sales division, learning how the fresh and frozen products are sold throughout the country, how they are transported to different areas. I then moved on to 2 months in our Timaru wet fish processing plant. While there I learned all the processes behind receiving the fish, processing the fish, packaging and delivery. In 2019 I was offered the opportunity to become part of Tellys Westport. I was 23 years old at the time. I was very lucky with the team I had based in Westport who helped educate me on how the industry works and how to help improve it for the future. Part I really enjoy about my job working in this industry is the range of people I get to deal with. So I am discussing new ideas and old ways of doing things with fishermen who have been doing this job for longer than I've been alive, and then I'm also seeing new people coming into the factory who are keen to get into the industry and see how it works, who have never dealt with fish before in their life. So for any of the young people in New Zealand looking to get into the seafood industry, I would highly recommend it.